Hey, what's up, everyone? If you've noticed duplicate contacts in your ActiveCampaign automations, it can mess with your marketing flow. So don't worry, I'm going to show you how to remove double contacts and keep your list clean. Let's get into it. All right, so we want to navigate to the Contacts tab from your ActiveCampaign dashboard. And we're going to select Merge from the options in the menu. So this is just an example, but you can go ahead and search for the other duplicate contact by entering their name or email address. Okay, so once you've found the duplicate contact, select it to merge the two records. All right, click on the checkbox, then hit merge. And then we're finished. All right, so then you want to head over to the Automations tab. And then you want to set an identifier for whether the contact has been through the automation before. Here we have already in automation. And our trigger is contact subscribes to any list. So if the contact already has a tag, meaning they've been through the automation or already exists, we can go ahead and end that automation. So if the contact does not have the tag, we'll proceed with the actions you want, whether it's sending emails or adding them to a list. And at the end of the automation, we have an already in automation tag to ensure they are identified for future checks. All right, so with this, you'll keep your automation clean and avoid sending multiple emails to the same contact. So if you're new to ActiveCampaign, go ahead and check out the free trial link in the description and start optimizing your automations today.